Alright, y'all, I'm gonna make a quick and easy video on how to replace your tank ventilation valve, fuel tank ventilation valve on your B58 Gen 1. It's just right here. Literally has one connection that's hooked up by a Torx there, and then you're gonna have one connection here, one on this side, and then finally to the resonator, which you could probably get that too. I think symptoms of this is maybe hiccups during idle or noisy valve. So this one's got 200,000 miles on it. I want to go ahead and replace that. So once you get those guys removed, just be able to swap in your new valve, which I have right here. It's not brand new, but I think it's got 27,000 miles, much less than my engine. I mean, than my original valve, which has 200. So we'll see if that cures a little bit of the hiccup symptoms. Got this one. These are the squeeze ones, so you guys know that. Same thing with this one. And you're gonna be hooked on here to a little brace. And this one, just got this tab here. Squeeze it and just pull out, have a little bit of pressure, and be ready to swap. So let's go ahead and drop the new one in and see how it looks. All right, valve is in, everything's attached. Don't forget this power clip, power cable that's there, and to screw it down here, oh, we gotta fix that. Rusty, 200,000 miles on most of this hardware. So yep, that should do it.